Hello student, I am Professor Supriya Nimbarkar from Department of BBA BCA. Today we are going to learn human resource management system in every business organization. So student, HRM subject is important for all student, not only management student but also technical background student. So first we are going to start actually what is meant by human resource management. So human resource management deals with the functions of planning, organizing, directing, coordination and control of employee into that organization. So today's we are learn the functions of HRM. There are 4 types of function in organization through the HRM system. First one, procurement. Second, training and development. Third, performance appraisal. And fourth, wages and salary administration. So first function, that is the procurement function. In that procurement function, organization deals with the recruitment and selection process. First, we will study what is meant by actually recruitment process. Recruitment means searching the best qualified person for doing a particular job position, and selection means selecting the best alternatives option for doing a particular that position. But recruitment and selection, these two concepts are different concepts. Recruitment is the positive concept and selection is the negative concept, because recruitment precedes the selection process and selection follow the recruitment process. After that, second function of human resource management system, that is the training and development function. Training and development function to increase the skill, knowledge, ability for employees for doing a particular job position. After that, third function of HRM, that is the performance appraisal. Performance appraisal function, this is evaluate the job performance analysis as well as review the performance of each and every employee into that organization. Performance appraisal function also promote employees for their job position. After that, fourth function of human resource management, that is the wages and salary administration. Wages and salary administration function deals with the compensation benefits of all employees. These all are the functions of HRM. After that, we will learn in today's lecture, that is the importance of HRM. In every business organization, HRM system is very important, because human resource is the input of that organization. So without human, organization cannot be exist, as well as any types of productivity we are completed, that is the man resource is very important. In today's any types of organization, like as a hospitality, government organization, school, colleges, institutions, as well as event management, in all management system or organization, human resource management is very important. So at last, at the right time, at the right place, at the right kind, at the right number people is very important to all organization. Thank you.